Leading this team at Yeaman Packaging Systems is more than just a role, it's a mission.
Every day, we engineer solutions that move businesses forward.
Innovation is our fuel, but customization is our promise. No two projects are exactly the same, which is why every system we build is designed around our customers, their speeds, their products, their goals. From flexible machinery to mobile automation and robotics, we bring precision, reliability, and performance to every line that we build. This isn't just manufacturing, it's building something bigger together.
Pack with precision, seal with confidence. Your partner in innovative packaging systems.